Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve Gpstr 2022 question paper of biological science aspirants. I have made two parts of this video. This is the first part wherein I am going to solve 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions of this question paper. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like the video if you are liking my work, share my videos and also subscribe to my channel, and also share among your friends who are Gpstr, HSTR, TET, CTET or KTET aspirants. Okay. So the first question of the Gpstr 2022 biological science is the change in velocity of a body per unit time is. So the change in velocity of a body per unit time will be acceleration. Then the natural magnet among the following is. The natural magnet will be magnetite. Ohm meter is the SI unit of ohm meter. It will be the SI unit of resistivity. If it was ohm, then it would have been resistance. But this is ohm meter. So the SI unit will be resistivity. Fourth question. It is from chapter Universe. The planet which is not the inner planet in the solar system. It is Uranus. Next question. The type of friction produced when we try to move an object is at rest is. It is static friction. Rest means static friction. Sixth question. The product of mass and acceleration due to gravity is. It should be weight, right? Because weight is equal to mass into g. That is acceleration due to gravity. So option 4 will be right here. The SI unit of electric current is. Of course it should be ampere. See, I am feeling very happy to solve your question paper because all questions, maximum questions from this question paper, around 80% of questions from this question paper can be easily answered if one has attended my science classes. So I am very happy to solve this question paper, and I am also happy for all those who have attended my classes regularly, because just in 1 month we have prepared in such a manner that we would answer 80% of the questions from the question paper in Gpstr 2022. Okay. So I want to congratulate everyone who have watched my videos and prepared from my videos, because see, it's not that you have watched my videos and you have learned. It is that you have worked hard. In place of me, you could have watched anyone else's video also. Even that would have helped you. But thing is that you have worked hard. You have followed one path, that is working hard. So I hope that you all get selected and you get this job. Okay, the next question. Question number 8 is a simple device used either to make the circuit or to break the circuit is. It should be switch. Okay, you can control the circuit using the switch, right? You can switch on or switch off. If you are switching on, it is that you are making the circuit. If you are switching off, then you are breaking the circuit. Next, question number 9. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of, yes, it is nucleus. The alpha particle scattering, it gave the conclusion that there is something in the center of the atom, a bulk matter, which was nucleus. Next, question number 10. The molar mass of oxygen is. See, the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, right? Now we have to find the molar mass of single oxygen. That's why it will be 16 grams. Next question. Question number 11. The incorrect statement related to the classification of elements. See, in this type of questions, we have to read the options carefully. The first option is Mendeleev's periodic table is based on atomic mass of elements. This is true. Then the modern periodic table is based on atomic number of elements. This is also true. Triads, a group of 3 similar elements. Yes, triad is made up of group of 3 similar elements. Next, option 4. Newland's octaves arrangement is based on the electronic configuration of elements. So this is an incorrect statement, because Newland's law talks about increasing order of the atomic masses of the elements. That's why option 4 will be the right answer here. Next, question number 12. An atom with electronic configuration 287 is chemically similar with. Remember what Mendeleev did? He put all the chemically similar elements together, right? So this 287, it is the electronic configuration of chlorine, isn't it? So the atomic number will be 17. 2 plus 8 plus 7. So argon, which is having the atomic number of 18, should be closer to chlorine and it will have similar properties. It should be option 4. Next question. CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH twice. The given chemical reaction is an example of. So this should be an example of chemical combination because CaO and H2O are combining together. Next question. The chemical compound used as supporting material in case of fractured bones is. Remember what we used in fractured bones? In our chemistry class we were talking about this. It is POP, right? Plaster of Paris. Its chemical name was calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When this CaSO4 was mixed with water, it was called gypsum. Then when you heat it at 373 Kelvin, we found plaster of Paris. Okay. So here calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Option 4 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 15. The compound having covalent bonding is. See here, wherever you have chlorine, one single chlorine is there. There you will have ionic bonding. So NaCl, HCl, KCl, they will all have ionic bonding. Only CaCl2 will have covalent bonding. Question number 16. The acid present in curd is. It should be lactic acid. Curd or milk, the acid present in it is lactic acid. Next question. The allotrope of carbon used in reduction of ores is. Actually, this is known as a carbon black. Okay. Also known as coke. So option 3 is the right answer. Question number 18. The liquid non-metal among the following is. Here you can see that chlorine, it will be a gas. Mercury, it is a liquid metal. Sulfur, it is a solid. So remains the bromine, which will be non-metal. Okay, it is the only liquid non-metal. Question number 19. The carbon compound having functional group aldehyde is. It should be propanol. Next, question number 20. Copper particles become greenish when exposed to the air. This is due to the formation of the compound copper oxide. Next question. The strong synthetic fiber used for making parachute is. It should be nylon. Then the petroleum product used as solvent for dry cleaning is. It is petrol. They use petrol for dry cleaning our clothes. Next question number 23. Suicide bags of the cell is. They are called lysosomes, right? Lysosomes are the suicide bags of the cell. Then the fat storing tissue is. It should be adipose tissue. Then the part of human digestive system where absorption of completely digested food occurs is. It is small intestine. So if your small intestine is weak, whatever food you eat, no, the exact nutrition, it won't be absorbed by it. So small intestine is the part of human digestive system where exactly your completely digested food will be absorbed. Okay. Next question. Question number 26. The complex permanent tissue is parenchyma. So this type of question, no, same question was asked in mathematics and science question paper also, but in a different manner. But the answer was parenchyma only for that also. Okay, next question. Four-chambered heart is present in. Four-chambered heart is present in mammals and birds. So birds are also known as aves. So option 3 should be right answer. Okay, 28th question. Growth inhibiting hormone is. It is abscisic acid. So this question, it is really very important because I have stressed about this question in my biology class also. We have taken only one biology class before the exam. So I have stressed this question there also. And this question is asked in mathematics and science question paper also. And it is asked here also in biological science question paper also. This proves that this question is very important. Okay. Next question number 29. The correct sequential order of reflex arc is. So correct sequence should be a receptor, sensory neuron, relay neuron, motor neuron, then effector. Okay. Question number 30. The type of reproduction in planaria. In planaria, it should be binary fission. Then question number 31. Inconspicuous reproductive organs found in. They are found in Thylophyta, bryophytes and pteridophytes. They are not found in gymnosperms. Okay. Next question number 32. Depletion of ozone layer caused by. It is caused by chlorofluorocarbons. We have mentioned this also in our chemistry class. Okay. Then the evolution of kale from wild cabbage. It is due to artificial selection. We discussed this also in our biology class. We talked about natural selection and artificial selection. So this evolution of kale from wild cabbage, it happened because of artificial selection. Okay, next question number 34. The group containing only biodegradable materials. Here biodegradable materials means plastic cover and glass, it is not biodegradable, right? So your option 1 will be right. It is grass, flowers and leather, because leather is also obtained from animals, right? That's why grass, flowers and leather, all three will become biodegradable materials. Next, question number 35. Lever flukes belong to the phylum. Lever flukes belong to Platyhelminthes. Next question. The part in the male reproductive organ where the sperms are produced, it is testes. Next, question number 37. Large areas of protected land that is identified for the conservation of wildlife is. See, actually there is zoo also, there is national park also. But because they are using the word wildlife, I am ticking wildlife sanctuary. Okay? Because they are talking about large areas, right? In biosphere reserve, plants are also protected. They are not talking about plants here. They are talking about conservation of wildlife. So option 1 should be the right answer. Next, question number 38. The HCF of 18 and 48 is. So you have to calculate. You do the LCM first. Do the LCM for 18 and do the LCM for 48. See the factors of 18 and see the factors of 48. What are the common factors here? 2 and 3. They are the common factors. Multiply them. You get the highest common factor or HCF. Here it comes out to be 6. Option 2 is the right answer. Then question number 39. The ratio of 1.5 kg to 600 grams is. Similar question was asked in mathematical sciences question paper also. So this is very easy actually. You convert 1.5 kg to grams. Okay. Then you take the ratio. That 1.5 kg into grams will become 1500 grams. 1500 upon 600 grams will give you 5 by 2. 5 by 2 can also be written as 5:2. So option 4 is the right answer. Next, question number 40. The perfect square number among the following is. Actually, you can, if you already know the perfect square numbers from 1 to 25, then you can answer this question. But if you don't know what you do, you have to take an LCM. Then you see in which LCM you are getting the perfect squares. So you get 324. Here it will be 18. Because 2 square you take 2. In 3 square you take 3 and in 3 square again you take 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 18 will become 324. So here option 1 will be the right answer. Next, question number 41. The value of 2 square whole cube into 2 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 6 is. You simply apply laws of indices. Instead of doing arithmetically everything, you apply laws of indices. 2 square whole cube will become 2 raised to 6. Into 2 raised to 4 is there. Upon 2 raised to 6 is there. When there is a product, you multiply the powers if the bases are same. If there is division, then you subtract the powers if the bases are same. So it will become 2 raised to 6 plus 4 minus 6. It will give you 2 raised to 4. 6 will get cancelled here. 2 raised to 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Option 3 will be the right answer. Next, question number 42. The circumference of a circle of radius 7 cm is. See, actually for a circumference of a circle, it will be 2 pi r. Here r is 7 cm. So it will be 2 pi into 7. It should be 14 pi centimeter. Then question number 43. The solid which is having only curved surface is. Only curved surface means it should be sphere. Isn't it? We have this table. Here you can see that cone, it will have one flat circular surface along with curved surface. So sphere is the only solid which will have only curved surface. Okay. Only one curved surface. It is made up of it. So here option 4, sphere is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 44. The sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is. So sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral will be 360 degree. Then the area of parallelogram with base 12 cm and height 4.5 cm. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Base is given 12 cm, height is 4.5 cm. Just multiply, you get 54 cm square. So your option 3 will be the right answer. Question number 46. The length of the ladder which is leaned against the wall at a height of 15 feet and its foot is 8 feet away from the wall is. You have to imagine a figure. You can see that if there is a ladder, it is leaning towards a wall, means it will become a right angled triangle. The distance between the ladder and the wall, that is AB, is given. It is 8 feet. And then the height of the wall is also given till where that ladder will be touching to the wall. That will be 15 feet. Correct? Now you apply Pythagoras theorem. This AC will be your length of the ladder. This AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. You put the value of AB and BC. Take their squares. At last you get AC square is equal to 289, or AC will be square root of 289. Square root of 289 is 17. That's why the length of that ladder will be 17 feet. Option 1 will be the right answer. Now after this there are few questions which are based on your teaching field. So I am not expert in that area. That's why I am not very comfortable in giving the answers for those, because I feel that I am not the right person. I am a science person, right? I can teach you physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Even I can teach you English and GK and all that. But teaching means one has to study particularly in that area. Then only they can give you right answers. That's why I am not talking about those questions. I have skipped them. Okay. Now these were your 1 mark questions. Now let's talk about 2 mark questions. So I will directly go to question number 51. What is pressure? What is the SI unit of pressure? Of course, we have talked about all this in our physics classes, right? So pressure is defined as force applied per unit area, or pressure is equal to force upon area. With that only you can say that its unit is Newton per meter square, or there is one word given for this Newton per meter square, that is known as Pascal. Okay. So in SI system, the unit of pressure is Pascal. So 2 points, 2 marks. If you have written so much, then your 2 marks are secured for this question. Okay. Next question. Balance the following chemical equations. They have given simple chemical equations. They are not very complex set of chemical equations. This type of chemical equations you can easily balance. Always I prefer starting to balance the chemical equations from oxygen, if oxygen is there. Okay. Here actually Fe2O3 plus Al, aluminum, they are combining, and the product is Fe iron plus Al2O3. So oxygen is balanced here in this chemical equation. The product is also 3 atoms of oxygen. Even in reactants also, if I see, there are only 3 atoms of oxygen. Next I'll move to aluminum. In product there are 2 atoms of aluminum. So I will make here 2 aluminum. Then again if I see in reactants there are 2 atoms of iron. That's why in product also it should have 2, isn't it? Iron should be 2. So I'll make it like this. Thus your chemical equation is balanced. Rest all is balanced, you can see. Okay. Next equation, MnO2 plus Al will give you Mn plus Al2O3. Here if I see oxygen, it is not balanced. So I will first fix the balance of oxygen. What I will do here, it is 2 in reactants, here it is 3 in product. So I'll write 2 here, I'll write 3 here. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Now oxygen is balanced. Now there is imbalance between Mn, right? So I need 3 Mn and I need 4 aluminium. It is 2 2s are 4 here in the product, right? So in reactants I need 4 aluminium and 3 Mn in the product. So now this is a balanced chemical equation. So 1 mark each for each chemical equation they have given. So if you have balanced the chemical equations in this type, then you have scored 2 marks. Okay, next question. Question number 53. Atomic number of the elements X, Y and Z are 3, 11 and 19 respectively, which are placed in the first group of the modern periodic table. Which element has larger atomic size? Justify your answer. So we know that if atomic number is higher, then 99% chances are there that the atomic mass will be also higher only. So here element Z with atomic number 19 should have larger atomic size. But we need to explain this, right? We have to justify the answer. So you can write it this way. Since atomic number is the number of protons in an atom and atomic mass is the mass of protons, neutrons and electrons in an atom, increasing the number of protons would increase the atomic mass. Hence, higher the atomic number, heavier should be the element. So here element Z with atomic number 19 should have the larger atomic size. Okay. So this is for 2 marks. So next question. Define the following. Diffusion and osmosis. So osmosis, it is the movement of solvent particles across a semi-permeable membrane from a dilute solution into a concentrated solution. The solvent moves to dilute the concentrated solution and equalize the concentration on both sides of the membrane. Diffusion, it is the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. The overall effect is to equalize concentration throughout the medium. So I have explained osmosis and diffusion in my biology class with the animated figures, right? With the images and with the difference and all. We have talked a lot on it, right? So if you are interested, you can go and watch that biology class. Okay. Okay, next question. Differentiate arteries and veins. So arteries, they are responsible for carrying the oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Whereas in contrary, veins, they carry deoxygenated blood from different organs of the body to the heart for oxygenation. Okay. So these 2 points for 2 marks. If they asked this question for 4 marks, then you could have written 4 points also. Okay. Next question. Factorize 4x square minus 9 using suitable identity. So by seeing this question, this equation only, you can say that it is in the form 2x whole square minus 3 square is equal to 0. You can write it like that. So which is that simple identity which looks like this, that is a square minus b square, right? That will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you put it in that form. Here a will be 2x and b will be 3. So put it as 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. With this you get x is equal to minus 3 by 2 or 3 by 2. Thus you have factorized it. Okay. Next question. The cost price of a flower vase is rupees 120. A shopkeeper sold it for 10% loss. Find the selling price of the flower vase. So here cost price is given, it is rupees 120 and he sold it for 10% loss. Now to find selling price we have a formula, right? It is equal to cost price into 100 minus percentage loss upon 100. Substitute the values, you get selling price will be equal to rupees 108. Okay, next question. List out any 4 properties of a rectangle. So this is a very silly question, I must say. But still you never know. Sometimes in the exam tension or in that pressure, no, you don't remember 4 properties. You may remember 1 or 2, but you don't remember 4 sometimes. Maybe that's why they have asked you this question. Okay. So I'm giving you more than 4 properties. Rectangle, it is a quadrilateral. Here opposite sides are always parallel and they are equal to each other. Then interior angle is equal to 90 degrees every time. Then sum of all the interior angles will be 360 degrees. Then the diagonals, they bisect each other and both the diagonals in the rectangle, they will have same length. Okay. So these were your 2-mark questions. So I think I will stop here. I don't want to make this class very lengthy so that you all get bored. I will upload the next part as soon as possible. That part will consist of the descriptive part of the question paper of 3 marks and 4-mark questions. Okay. So who all have watched my video, please evaluate your question paper by yourself and let me know what are your expected marks. Okay. And also by chance if I have made any mistake, let me know that also. I'll pin it in the comment section. Okay. And before saying you bye, I would like to remind you all again, please like my videos if you are liking my work, then share and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye.